Numbers whose only common factors is 1 is called what? We called it relatively prime number. The relatively prime numbers, it means two numbers can't be divided by any number without 1. Then the numbers with only common factor is 1, we called it relatively prime numbers. Choose letter A. Relatively prime numbers such as 2 and 3, we called it relatively prime numbers because the head common factor between them, it will be 1. Question number 2. A color box contains 16 beans. Price each one 4 pounds. What's the price of the box? The suitable operation to solve this problem would be product, because colors box 16 beans and the price of each one 4. To find the total of the price of the box, so you must find the product between 16 and 4. Okay, the operation here multiply. Choose letter C. To find the total cost of 16 beans, you must find the product between the price of each one 4 pounds by the number of beans. We have 16 beans and the price of each one 4 pounds, then the total cost will be 16 times 4. The operation here to find the solve by using multiply. Okay, choose letter C. Question number 3. List multiplication between 5 and 8, it will be 40. Because 5 and 8, we called it relatively prime numbers. If we have relatively prime numbers, then the least common multiplication between them, it will be their product, and the height common factor between them, it will be 1. Okay, question number 4. The remainder of 527 divided by 5. 527 divided by 5. He won't find here the remainder. We know any number can divided by 5 if the ones will be 0 or 5. Then the remainder will be 7 minus 5, it will be 2. It's the remainder of this example. Okay, understood, because 720 can divided by 25. 525 can divided by 5. We haven't the remainder here 0. Then if we add 2 to this number, 5 plus 2, it will be 7. It's add to this number, then the remainder will be 2. Or you can solve this example by using long division, or write 527 divided by 5. 5 divided by 5, it will be 1, and 2 divided by 5, we can't do it. 27 divided by 5, it will be 5, and the remainder 2. Okay, you can using the rule or using division to find the result. Okay. Question number 5. The number -7 lies on the right of the number what in the number line? We have here -7, and here -6, and here -8. -7 nearest to -8 and -6, but you want to find the number 7 lies on the right of what? Right of -8. Right of -8. Then the result will be -8 because -7 lies on the right of -8 on the number line. Question 6. -3, it will be +3. Question 7. The count number is integer. Okay, count number integer and natural and rational number. Choose letter D, because counting number beginning by 1 to infinity, 1, 2, 3, 4 to infinity. Then 1, we called it counting subset from natural number, and natural number counting from integers, and integers count subset from rational numbers. Then we must choose all of them. Choose letter D about this example. Okay. The result will be letter D. Question number 2. Number 1. The smallest non-negative integer, it will be 0. 0 non-negative and non-positive. Question number 2. 5 plus 10 power 2 times 2. Right, 5 plus 10 power 2 to be 100 times 2. Right, 5 plus 2 times 100, it will be 200. Plus 5, it will be 205. Question 3. The coefficient of the algebraic term for b, it will be 4. 4, we called it constant. Coefficient, okay. For b, we have here 4b. 4, we called it coefficient, or 4, we called it numerical factor, okay. But p, we called it the verbal or algebraic factor. The result will be 4, okay. Question number 4. The derivative inverse of -3.5, it will be 3.5. Question 5, the minimum of the values. We have 16, 10, this number. We have 16, 10, 7, 5, 14, 11. The minimum here will be what? But number will be 5. The minimum here, minimum value will be 5. Question 6. If the mode of the values is 7, then A will be 7. Because 7 refers to the mode, and the mode, what's the meaning of the mode? The most number was repeating here will be 7. The most number was repeating. Okay, question 7. The difference between the smallest and greatest value of some values, we called it the range. The range. Question 8. If y plus 2 equal absolute value of negative 5, then y plus 2, it will be 5. Then y will be equal 3. Okay. Question number 3, number 1. Absolute value of negative 12, it will be equal 12. Question number 2, which of the following mathematical expression doesn't represent algebraic expression? We have here 2x plus y and 3mx equal y, 2x plus 2x minus 5. We have x equal 2, we call it equation. Which of the following mathematical expression doesn't represent an algebraic expression? Okay, we have x equal 2, it's equation. Okay, doesn't represent algebraic expression, not expression. We call it equation because the equation contains of two expressions and the rise between them this sign equal to. Question number 3. The number a subtracted from 10, it will be 10 subtracted by a. Okay, 10 subtracted by a. Question number 4. Which operation of the following done first when finds the value of numerical expression? Okay, we have number 4, this expression e plus 9 minus 3 times 5. The first operation here will be multiplication, it's order operation. We know parenthesis first, exponent next, multiplication and division is the same step, addition and subtraction from left hand side to right hand side, first come first serve first. So this example we must use the first operation here, multiplication. So choose letter C, 3 by 5. Question number 5. Solution of equation 9n equal 18. We can divide it by 9. 18 divided by 9, it will be 2. Then in here it will be 2. Next question, number 6. The number 5 is one of solution for the equality x. Here, no, you must choose letter D. X less than 6. Okay, right here 6 is the solution about this inequality. Question 7. The median for the values here, we can arrange all the values and then choose the number which lies in the middle. We have 33 and 11, 12, 14, 15, and 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we can write the median here. This 12 plus 14 divided by 2 will be 26 divided by 2. The result will be 13. Okay, the median will be 12 plus 14 because 12 and 14 lies in the middle. Then the median, the sum of two numbers lies in the middle and then divided by 2, the result will be 13. It's the median. Next question. Question number 4. Answer the following. Letter A. A car consumes 6,630 liters of gasoline in 65 weeks. Okay, what is the rate which car consumes in 1 week? We can use it by using division between two numbers. Right, 6,000, the total liters, 6,630 liters divided by 65, because this car consumes this total of liters in 65 weeks. We want to find which car consumes in 1 week by using division, two numbers. Dividing two numbers by left hand side, we have 6 divided by 65, we can't do it with 0, and 66 divided by 65, it will be 1 times 65, it will be 65, and then find the difference. 6 minus 5, it will be 1, and then drop 3. 13 divided by 65, we can't do it with 0, and then drop 0. 130 divided by 65, it will be 2. 2 times 5 equal 10, 0 and carry up 1. 2 times 6, 12, plus 1, it will be 13. And then the result will be 100 liter. So the rate of which car consumes in 1 week, it will be used 102 liter in 1 week. Question letter B. Find the value of the algebraic expression 6 divided by 8x minus 3 at x equals 0.5. Then we can find the value 6 divided by 8, multiplication by 5s, 5 here subtract by 3. Right, 6 divided by 8 times half, it will be 4. Subtract by 3, then we can write 6 divided by 4 minus 3, it will be 1, then the result will be 6. Okay. Question letter C. Find 3 solutions of this inequality, n greater than or equal to -1. In the rational numbers, we can write -2 and -3.5, and we can write -5.2. We want 3 rational numbers of this example. The next question here, you want to represent the data by using histogram. Okay, he gives us the intervals, then you must draw horizontal and vertical in the graphical here axis. First from 0 to 9, and next from 10 to 19, and from 20 to 29, and here 30 to 39, and the last one 40 to 49. It will be the money reverse to the set of money, and here frequency, number of students. Okay, frequency here, and then you must put numbers here from least to greatest. Count with me here. We have the greatest number here was 18. You can write even numbers, right? 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and last one 16. And then drop the intervals first from 0 to 9. The image here will be 9. 9 here lies between 8 and 10. It's the first interval. Second interval, 16. 16 is the largest value here. Okay, draw this, and the next to 17. Okay, 17 is the largest. Okay, I will complete here. You can cancel this by using pencil and complete with me. We have here 18 and here 20. Then the next value was 17. 17 lies between 16 here. Okay, between 16 and 18. And then draw by using ruler. Don't using your hand only. Okay, using your ruler and the pencil to draw. And then next one to 18 here by using ruler. Okay, and last one to 10. 10 here. Result. Okay.